Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to remove profile picture on Facebook. Make sure to subscribe to fix it for more tutorials. So the first step is to open up the Facebook app. Tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the page. Click on your profile picture. Click on the three dots at the top. You will see various options, including delete this photo. If you delete this profile, it will also delete as post. Now refresh this page to see if it deleted. If this tutorial helped you today, make sure to subscribe to fix it. Leave a comment below on what you want to see next.